by the authorities, so we have 50%. And they and far away from me.
चलिए let's go.
Hi. मेरे पीछे तो कटआउट्स हैं, वो दूर बैठे हैं। अजीब भी लगता है और अच्छा भी लगता है कि लाइव ऑडियंस है अब हमारे साथ। ये पहला एपिसोड है जो हम लाइव ऑडियंस के साथ शूट कर रहे हैं, पूरे मास्क के साथ और सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग के साथ। Please come. How are you, Hari?
I'm fine. Don't you feel you're sitting in a house of wax? look at all of them.
Yes, I've gotten used to having these people. आज तो Hari, we still have live audience. वरना हमेशा there's only these dummies.
Sad, but it's kind of eerie.
Eerie, na? How have you been? I'm okay. It's been years and years.
I know.
So long. So have you been here only in Bombay in the lockdown?
I've been lately last 2-3 months I've been traveling. Odd shows.
अच्छा, shows हो गए?
I did 1 or 2 wedding shows. They were way out sitting in the lawn.
अच्छा. So socially you were distant from them.
Last week I went to Ranthambore. Saw some tigers.
Tigers? Mind blowing, yeah. I want to go to Ranthambore. Amazing, na? Are you on Instagram?
Yeah.
Then I'll send this to you. Send this video to you. Behind the scenes. Bye. अनूप एंड पंकज आर वेरी डियर फ्रेंड्स ऑफ माइन। बहुत सालों से जानते हैं एक दूसरे को। अभी इतनी दूर बैठना पड़ रहा है, लॉकडाउन के दौरान तो मिले भी नहीं हमने एक दूसरे से, लेकिन शो में बस मिलने का इत्तेफाक हो रहा है अब की बार। द कपल इज वेरी हैप्पी बिकॉज सिंगर्स कम ना, ही बिकम्स एक्सटैटिक। आई ऑल्सो लव लिसनिंग टू देयर गजल्स। They've sung such amazing songs in this episode. You guys are really going to enjoy watching it when the telecast happens. So he's singing Hari's song, I think.
विशाल से काफी अच्छी गाती है। हाँ, के साथ ऑर्डर सर।
Okay, order some.
Ready, sir. Order,
Bye,
please.
guys.
Roll.